Ona Sadya has no shortage of delicious sides, but this one turns a humble Pappadam into something extra special. Today we're making Pappadam Thoran, a simple Kerala-style side that pairs beautifully with hot rice and all those Sadya favorites. Start with 1 cup of grated coconut. Half a teaspoon of cumin, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 sprig of curry leaves, and 2 chopped green chillies. Crush them together and keep aside. Now heat 1 cup of oil and fry 4 pappadams until crisp. Let them cool slightly, then crumble them into pieces. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Splutter half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, followed by 2 dried red chillies and a sprig of curry leaves. Add 8 to 10 finely chopped shallots and saute until lightly golden. Add the crushed coconut mixture and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the crumbled pappadam. Mix everything well. Add salt only if needed, since the pappadam already has salt. And that's it. Your Pappadam Thoran is ready for the Ona Sadya.